sew a flat piece onto a closed piece for amigurumi. Let's get started. So normally I would use the tail end of the flat piece to sew to hide the join, but today we're going to use a contrasting color to show you what's happening here. So we're going to go down into the next stitch of our flat piece, and then you want to pick up a piece behind from the closed piece and go back up the same stitch. And then we're going to go back down the next stitch of the closed, or of the flat piece, sorry. Pick up a stitch from behind and then go back up the same stitch of the flat piece. So you're going to continue working around your entire flat piece like this. And what this does is it creates a nice uniform look without distorting the flat piece. So the difference between having a flat piece and an open end onto a closed piece is the way the stitch sits. So this sits flat, meaning the back of the rounds are touching that closed piece, whereas when you have an open piece, then the top of your last round will be what is sitting on the closed piece because it cups, and so then the top piece is the part that's actually touching. So that's how I distinguish which method to use here. So let's speed it up a little and we'll finish it up. And there you go. You see a nice uniform piece. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.